Hey, it's Nikki. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited because it's a fall theme today, and I'm going to be doing a quick little DIY. But these things are mainly from Dollar Tree and from garage sales, so everything is just put on here. It's not how it's going to sit. I just wanted to lay it out. We got some pumpkins. I've seen so many people with these pumpkins from Dollar Tree. These right here were from a garage sale, and I just stuck them in a vase that I have my cotton in, my little cotton plant. And this is from Dollar Tree, these cute little fall decor. And I got the white, orange, and green little glass pumpkins, ceramic pumpkins. And that garland right there, I ended up making it because I wanted to order one, and they're kind of expensive. That right there, got at a garage sale. And I also got a wreath from a garage sale that's gonna pop up here in a little bit, and that's actually what I made the garland with. So stick around if you want to see how I do that. It's a real quick and fast one, but I'm excited for fall. It's my favorite season, and I know it's not even August yet, and I'm already just splashing that orange on there. My kids are like, what are you doing? But anyway, stick around and enjoy the video. So I got this wreath at a garage sale years ago. I've had it for a while. It's the same wreath I use every single year. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to finally do something different, but I'm going to put this to good use. I decided to take all the leaves off of it, and I'm just going to pull them off so that I can reuse them. But the reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to order a leaf garland fall thing, you know, from Amazon, Walmart, wherever, and they were kind of expensive. And I was like, looking at the reviews, some of them said, oh, these look plastic and fake, you know, they weren't really happy for them for $25. I was like, you know what, I like the leaves on this wreath right here, so I'm just going to use that. So basically, after I took everything off of the wreath, and I'll be reusing that wreath for something else, but I took everything off and I grabbed some twine. I measured the twine to my fireplace to see how long it was going to be, and that's where I cut it off. And I'm going to use my hot glue, and I was going to wrap these around the twine, but I don't know, it was going to be different weight, and when you hang it on the fireplace it just wasn't going to go good, so I decided to not do that, and I just ended up taking off all the leaves and just hot gluing them on the twine. So right now you see me kind of wrapping it, but I end up changing that. So I have always wanted to decorate a fireplace during the fall season. I love looking at the pictures on Pinterest and just different people on social media who decorate their fireplace. And I was like, if I ever have one, I want to do fall. I want to do fall, and I want to enjoy it and just love it. I was so excited. So when we got this fireplace built, when we did this for our DIY, I was so excited. I'm already thinking of the different seasons on how I'm going to decorate it. I'm really excited. So that's why I couldn't wait to jump on this. And of course, Dollar Tree is already taking the fall stuff out. I'm starting to see fall everywhere. And my dear friend who was at Dollar Tree saw these things, and she actually bought them for me. So shout out to you, Miss Alma, for thinking about me when you saw fall decor. I really do appreciate it. I got so excited when she brought it to me today. I couldn't even wait. I was just like, like within an hour I was already with my hot glue out and gonna do this DIY, because I was like, I know that I want this garland, I want it, and I was gonna order one so it can go with the other stuff she got me from Dollar Tree, but it was, like I said, it was expensive, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna see if I can just make my own, and I did, and I'm really happy with it. It's really easy too. It wasn't even time consuming. Took about 15 minutes for the whole thing, to take it apart and just hot glue it on there. So once I was satisfied with it, I called my daughter so that we can start hanging it, and I didn't know how I wanted to hang it. I've never done this before. I had no idea where exactly I wanted it. So you're gonna see a few different ways that I hung it on there. That's the first one. That's the one on the very top of the mantle. And then I went back with the hot glue, and some areas where I thought were kind of bald looking, I hot glued some more leaves on there. So that's the first look, and that's on the top layer of the mantle. And then I was gonna do kind of a little, like, I don't know, I didn't like it. And then I decided to put it under the mantle where it hangs off. I decided to put it there, and that's where I'm leaving it just for right now. I'm gonna have to just sit back and stare and then just see what kind of ideas I come up with within time of just looking at it. But that's it, you guys. It was really simple and easy. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any ideas for me, shoot them down below because I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed one.